The Smart Total Station, aka the Paulk Total Station 2, is complete here almost. This is the first opportunity I've had to pack it up. So I wanted to test pack it. And so I broke it down, packed it up, cleaned up, and then set it back up just to see how it all worked out functionally before I went on to finish up the details. Today we'll take the PARF guide to put the 20 millimeter holes perfectly lined up on the miter side and the miter extensions. Are you enjoying these videos? Do you get anything out of them? Would you like to see me make more? Well, this is your call to action. Drop down in the comments section down below. Give me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And remember to subscribe. Come on over to the smartwoodshop.com where you can find out more about us, see some of our projects, and you can also visit my store where you can purchase any of my plans to download instantly, or you can use our Amazon affiliates where you can purchase your tools for the same price they'll give you every day, but they share a little bit with us. I held off on drilling the 20 millimeter system holes on the miter bench side of the Smart Total Station until everything was assembled and working. Now I haven't put on the tape measure yet. That'll be one of the last things I do here. But I wanted to line up the holes on the miter side with the holes on the workbench side so that everything lined up. I'm not sure how critical that is, but I ended up later on designing the crosscut jig, the Smart Crosscut, and that utilizes these holes. So being able to go out all the way over the miter stand for the crosscuts ended up being handy. So I'm glad I stuck to it and just wanted to keep that precision. So I started by just lining it up with the existing holes by dropping in some bench dogs in the PARF guide, and I'm able to then figure out exactly where they're going to lay out both distance wise, and of course I'll be missing one row of holes. So if they're every 96, there's a row of 96 that would fall right where the T-track is. So we're skipping that row and going to the next row. And then once I get them laid out on the bench, of course, then I can, using the rulers that come with the PARF guide, I can square up off of the bench side and get those holes lined up on the extensions the same way. So not sure how important that is, but I just felt like I wanted to just carry that precision all the way through. And whether I will actually use the clamping holes on the extensions, time will tell. But I will tell you, they sure do look good. Here I'm adding the additional row of holes shown on the plans that are 32 millimeters in from the edge on the working bench side. I like these because of clamping, edge clamping. It really helps out. But as it turned out, this is the row of holes that I use for the Smart Crosscut. It gets the crosscut out further to the edge. Now I have the Mark I when I made this, and it wasn't really set up for this offset. It was only set up for 96. I was able to fudge things and do some measuring and get it over. I really do like the Mark II because it allows me to do the 32 millimeter and 64 as well as the 96. In the next video, we will install the measuring tape. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe, and come on over to the smartwoodshop.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great